Hi, sir. We are here to give our review three for final review for our project. Our project name is uh, Library Management System. Library Management System. Our group number is G4, Group 4, and my group members are Vijay Sagar and Akhil Shetty Nitish Kumar. This library management system is to make the work of librarian work easy. That's what the aim of the this application. And rest of this will be continued by Vijay Sagar.
Yeah, this is our library management system and click on next. Yeah, this is our login page. Here you can find like username and use password and login options, sign up and forgot password. First, before giving username and password, you must sign up. Go to sign up option. Yeah, in sign up option, you can find like username, name, password, and for security purposes, you need to select a security question and you have to answer that. Giving like name, yes, Sagar, password. Yeah, Nitish, name, Nitish, password. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6. For security purpose reason, you have to select like a lucky number, and you can find here lucky number. Once go to that option, bro. Four options like a nickname, lucky number, and child superhero, and your childhood name. Yeah, click on lucky number, and you have to answer that question. Like lucky number is around 9. Okay, select on create option. It has successfully created. Now go to the login page. Uh, Here in username and password, give what you have registered in sign up options like username Nitish, and password 123456, and click on login. It takes a few seconds to log in. Yeah, after getting into login, you may find like 6 options like add books, statistics, add student, issue book, return book, and about us. Yeah, first we look into add book option. Coming to add book, in the ad book section, you can find like book ID number. You have to give name, ASBN, publisher, edition, price, pages. Yeah, first giving like book ID number 867, name, mm, my book, ASBN number 45127, some random, publisher, my book publications, like giving edition, price, pages. Mm. Yeah, after all filling this, click on the add button. Yeah, successfully added. Book details have been added. Come to back. Yeah, it's left top corner you may find like record option like select on record. In this you can find both book details and student details. Get into book details. Yeah, in book details you can find the fourth option like my book 4y ISBN number 45128. This is the book which we have now added, and these books we have done before. Uh, yeah, this is the book added. Yeah, over to Nitish.
Thank you, Sagar. After got finished with add book and get into add student, click on add student. Here we find the sections like student ID, name, father's name, course, branch, year, semester. First we have to give student ID like 20 MAS 1124, name Sam, father name Franklin. Like courses we have courses like BE, BTech, MTech, MBA, BBA, BCA, BSc, MCA. We have to select one. MTech branches we have mechanical, CSC, IT, civil, automobile, triple E, software engineer, others. Software engineer, self software engineer. year, which year you first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and semester you are going through first, second, third, fourth year, 3. Click on and click on add button. You have successfully added and go to home page. Here we find a record, right corner we find a record button. There we find the student details. Please click on student details. And here we'll see what we have done in add student. What we have registered, like 20 MS1 Sam Franklin MTech course and branch software engineering year second and semester third. And go to home page. And go to issue book. Here we can find issue book like 2 details. Here you can get the details which are registered in ad book and ad book. Like by giving your book ID, we can get the details of registered book ID before, and by giving student ID, what you done before, we get the details by giving student ID and give the date of issue. Like 8 December 21, and click on issue button to register successful, and successful book registered, and go to home page. Now go to statistics. Here we will find the data which we have submitted in ad book and student book. Here we will find the details like a book ID 3 is book ID, student ID, B name, S name, course, branch date 370 20 MS14, instance SAM MTech software engineering, and the date. Go to home page. And here we will find the written book option. Please click on written book option. Here we will find book ID, student ID, book name, and we have to give our book student ID which are registered and book ID which are registered, and you have to give the date of return. And you have to click on the return book to return the return button to return the book. Go to home page. Here we will find the exit button. Drop on exit button. We will find the logout. If you want to exit or logout, here we can do a logout. From this OS one will continue. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for your explanation. Okay, so I will explain the coding part right here, what we have done for coding. And here, first module is add book. Here we can here this module is for adding the book, like Nitish said, like add books, where you can insert book ID. Here it will it is connected to database, MySQL database. It will execute this code, and it will store the book details like book ID, like that. Here we can add the book, and we can register students, like we can add student. Here it's also connected to a database. It will also execute this code, and it will store the data of student, and we can use it afterward, like searching books, searching students. We can use it here. Book details module is to show the details of book which are registered or which are added here in the app. It will also connect it to database and store it in database. And forgot password is to retrieve the password uh, where you have when you forgot the password, you can retrieve it by using the option, like it will search in database and it will give the password. Like home page is the first user interface where we have started, like next library management system. that's the home module here. And issue book is to issue the book, like adding the book to the app, like available available books, like we can add the book, issue the book, like issuing the book. And loading page is like after the login, it will show some loading page that is created here. This is for that loading page. Login user is to log into the app, like giving username and password, and clicking login button. It will search in the database for password and matching the username and password. If you give anything wrong, it will automatically give invalid login, and it will you have to give the right username and password for login book. And this is for written book, like here you can returning the book, like it is also connected to, it will also executed in MySQL, like it will also search the ID, and it will be stored, like return the book, like in return book option. And signing up, this is the first thing we have to do in the like in the app to get logged in. You have to first sign up. Here it is also, you are giving like username, and it will be also executed in MySQL, and you are giving username and password, security question answer, and it will be stored in database. And if you give the data in login page, it will search in that account table, and it will show it will, if it's matches, it will be get logged in. And statistics is for the statistics module, is the thing where you can see the details of students who are all got book and which book they have got, like that. It is also stored in like MySQL database. This will be useful. And student details, this also executed by MySQL. All the parts are executed by MySQL. It will show the select star from student is a basic MySQL, which will be shown to it should be display the student's detail from in the records, like records. It will show the student detail. And this is the part where we have connected our MySQL database to the project NetBeans, and we have given the root and password, like it will be the, this is the Java SQL part where we have connected our JDBC to project, like that. And that's all. This is our project library management system, sir. Thank you, sir.